My name is Liao. Our paper presents empirical evidence that demonstrates a significant shift in the usage of stablecoins away from speculative trading in recent years. Stablecoins are a type of digital currency that are pegged to fiat currencies and transacted over distributed ledgers. Initially, stablecoins were primarily used as on-chain cash balances for crypto exchanges, mainly for trading digital assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, over the past few years, stablecoins have evolved into a form of general-purpose money that is tokenized on public blockchains. One specific type of stablecoin, known as payment stablecoins, has been developed with the purpose of serving as a means of payment. These payment stablecoins are fully backed by high-quality and liquid assets. They have gained usage in various areas, including cross-border payments, emergency relief, and remittances. This chart shows the ratio of daily trading volume to circulation. In other words, it shows how much trading activity each dollar worth of stablecoin supports. We can see here that in recent years, the increased adoption and expansion of stablecoins in various general payment use cases has led to a decrease in the proportion of their activities associated with crypto trading. Two conclusions can be drawn from this chart. First, both payment and trading stablecoins have shown declines in their associated speculative activities. This decline in stablecoin facilitated trading is also unrelated to the broader market trends in crypto asset prices, which is shown by the overlaid Bitcoin price. Second, payment-oriented stablecoins, represented by USDC, always have had proportionally less trading activities, as they were designed for general payments. In Figure 2, we apply the same measure of daily trading volume per unit of account, which is $1 equivalent as earlier, and we find that the fiat US dollar measured as the M2 aggregate supports more trading per dollar than payment stablecoins do. This indicates that payment-oriented stablecoins are less conducive to speculative trading than their fiat counterparts. They also facilitate much less speculation than cash balances in brokerage accounts and trading stablecoins. Figure 3 shows that there is minimum correlation between the change in the circulation of payment stablecoin and the return on crypto assets at the daily and weekly frequency. This further substantiates the finding that payment stablecoins are less used for trading than the fiat dollar and trading stablecoins. And this contrasts the positive correlation seen between the circulation of M2 dollar and the returns on the S&P 500 index. Next, we compare collateralized borrowing with payment stablecoin and the M2 dollar measure. The left-hand chart shows a comparison of USDC borrowing with that of USD borrowing through the repurchase agreement market. This chart dispels the notion that stablecoins are creating large amount of leverage in crypto markets. The right-hand chart here shows that similar to the patterns observed in trading activity, the amount of leverage and collateralized borrowing positions has also declined over the recent years. Lastly, we compare stablecoins to other settlement systems, such as the Fedwire system. General-purpose settlement systems often handle transaction values that are many times greater than the scale of real-world economic activities. For example, Fedwire and CHIPS jointly process approximately 6.6 trillion in transactions daily. In practical terms, this means they process transaction values exceeding the entire annual US GDP every 4 days. Similarly, foreign exchange transactions at around 7.5 trillion per day cycle through the total value of annual global trade within a single week. The sheer size of these transaction aggregates indicate that settlement systems, by their nature, mostly process transactions associated with the financial market rather than the real economy. While there is no direct metric to gauge the economic activities enabled by stablecoins, we can estimate the aggregate value of non-financial transactions by excluding all transactions related to exchanges, virtual asset service providers, and transactions associated with smart contracts using decentralized finance. Following this methodology of ascribing non-financial transactions, this figure suggests that payment stablecoins are less linked to financial and speculative activities when compared to traditional settlement systems. In conclusion, This research conducts a comparative examination demonstrating that payment stablecoins are proportionally less employed for trading and leverage speculation activities than the fiat counterparts. Overall, the usage of stablecoins in cryptocurrency trading has experienced a consistent annual decline over the past 5 years, a trend that appears to be independent of the variabilities in crypto market activities. Given the ample empirical evidence, the adoption of payment stablecoin for actual payment purposes should no longer be a subject of speculation. Greater integration of payment stablecoins with existing financial infrastructure could augment the capabilities of existing real-time gross settlement systems, making them more programmable, transparent, and accessible.